So yes, we have a Lazy Susan now. Thank you, Matt, for my birthday present.
Yep. It was actually meant to be kind of a gag gift.
Yeah.
Because, and my wife thought I was completely retarded for buying a Lazy Susan for Chuck for his birthday. And I told her to shut up, woman.
If we ever get Rodney back here, we'll put a motor on it.
Yeah, because then everything will just fly the
Number 4.
I know, but is that the first pool is what I'm asking?
This is the second pool.
Oh, okay. I know, but that one looks almost intentional. This one,
once you do the paint job, it kind of
because it's right in that dot, it looks like it's supposed to.
Yeah. So anyway, don't spin it too fast; they'll fly off. How many pieces did it end up in?
2.
Are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
No. I knew you broke it. All right. Tonight's winner. That is a new shop rule. Matt,
can't touch lazy.
Stay away from the lazy. Oh, that's a clean break. That's a good super glue bond there.
Yeah, I know.
Susan.
You're gonna have to buff it a little bit just to get some grip.
You red scuff pad. We use the red scuff pad. No, go ahead. You can have that one now. Would you like some glue?
Yeah. So, for those of you who don't know, basically before trying to super glue any type of object,
we're doing a repair tonight.
It's super smooth. So what we're going to use a red scuff pad. It has approximately, what is it? You said 320?
So it's a little less than 320, but it's paintable for most paint jobs, except for maybe black and silver.
So it has basically a 300 to 320, somewhere in that range.
So what Matt is doing is creating scratches, scuffing, and what that allows you to do is when you're gluing two pieces together, like so, if you have not done any preparation, sanding or scuffing, your two flat surfaces together. But when you sand and scuff, you're creating valleys, and glue can hide down in these valleys, and what you're actually doing is allowing those parts to take a tighter bite and create a much stronger bond. So if you ever accidentally spin your blaster off of a Lazy Susan, this is how you would repair it. The more glue you use, the actually less effective it is. You need just a dab will do you, really. And when you press the two pieces together,
I'm using less than dabs.
It'll actually force that glue out into a larger area. Oh, and hey, check out the new Mandalorian holdout blaster. I had a lot of fun making it. It turned out really good.
It's pretty.
It's not particularly matte-proof, but it is a cool little blaster.
It's not made of steel.
It is fun, and they're up on the Etsy page, and they will soon be up on the regular Blaster Pro page. And you can just show up here and just grab one off of me if you want.